Hi there. So, you may be looking for a solution for editing your profile or company URL at the top part of your LinkedIn account. So, if that's the case, don't worry because you have come to the right video, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. But before moving forward, make sure to watch the video till the very end because if you will miss a step, it will not work. So, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser, open your LinkedIn account, then click on your profile over here, then click on view profile. And as you can see, this is my profile ID over here. And you can see there is a lot of numbers and dashes in my profile ID. Now, for example, if someone searched my name in the profile, my name will not list at the top because it has a lot of random numbers and dashes between them. So it's better to have a clean and perfect name for your LinkedIn URL. So for changing the URL, what you can do is just simply click on edit public profile and URL. Now over here, you will find your LinkedIn URL. So click on the pencil icon and let's modify it. I'm going to remove the entire name and write a proper name. Then after making changes, just simply click on save. Now as you can see, the dash isn't allowed, so I will just simply remove it and put a simple dash. Then click on save again and it worked. So as you can see, my LinkedIn URL has been changed and have also given us the update in our settings as well. Now just simply go back to your LinkedIn home. And now again, if I go back to my profile, you will see my name has changed over here. So this is how you can do it. And that's all. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.